Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are your phone calls hanging up automatically? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you easy and effective ways to fix the call hanging up problem on your Android phone. Let's get started. Solution 1. Clear cache and data of the phone app. First, open the Settings app. Then tap on App Management. Next, tap App List. Now in the search bar, type phone. When the phone app appears, tap on it. Here tap Storage and Cache. Then tap Clear Cache, and after that tap Clear Storage and Confirm. Don't worry, this won't delete your contacts or call logos. It only resets the app temporary files and settings, which often fixes call issues. Solution 2. Reset network settings. Open the Settings app again. Scroll all the way down and tap on System. Then tap Reset Phone. Now select Reset Wi-Fi settings. Confirm by typing Reset. This will reset your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile network settings, but don't worry, it won't delete your personal data or apps. After that, restart your phone and check if your calls are working fine. And that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick Android tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.